Hello, hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about percentage or percent and how to calculate percentage of some whole numbers in this video, like 25 percentage of 60, 15 percentage of 90 and so on. Let's look at some examples. Before that, I would like to give you the definition. What is a percentage? A percentage is a special fraction. The percent says per hundred. You can see per cent. I can split it as two terms. Per cent. Cent means 100. That is why 47 percentage is simply another way of writing the fraction 47 by 100. If it is 27%, 27 per 100, that is why the denominator is 100. So whenever it is percentage, you can replace that with 100 in the denominator. Okay. Now we are going to see how to calculate percentage of some whole numbers. Let's look at this one example, 15 percentage of 80. So what I have to do, this percentage, as I already mentioned, I'm going to write it with the denominator 100 and replace this off with times symbol and 80. That's all. Now this 80, I'm going to write it as a fraction with the denominator 1 because it is not going to change the value. The whole numbers can be written as a fraction with the denominator 1. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply as a 2 fraction. You know how to multiply 2 fractions, right? Multiply the numerators separately, multiply the denominators and simplify whenever possible. Now it is 15 by 100 times 80 by 1. We can do some cancellation also, some common zeros because both are divisible by 10. 8 tens are 80, 10 tens. Correct? Now let me write that step. 15 over 10 times 8 over 1. Now this again is divisible by 2. 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10. This is how you will keep on simplifying. Now these two are divisible by 5 and 5. So I am dividing both of them by 5. 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. Now I'll end up with only 3 times 4 on top and in the bottom 1 times 1, which is simply 1 only. So 3 4s are 12. That's it. So this is the answer. 15 percentage of 80 is 12. This is one method. Or if you are allowed to use the calculator without simplifying, without striking out like this, you can multiply 15 by 80 in the calculator right on top and 100 times 100. And then you can simplify. You will get it same answer 12. So this time I got the whole number answer. I'll show you one more example in which it can be a decimal answer or fractional answer. Let's do this. So what did I tell you? 24%, I have to write 100 in the denominator. And this of is times 60. 60 can be written as a fraction with denominator 1. Now again 6 tens are 60, 10 tens are 100. Now multiply 3 twos are 5 twos are, isn't it? So first I divided by 10, so 6 tens are 60, 10 tens are 100. Now this 6 and 10 divisible by 2. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Now I end up with only 24 times 3 on top. So 24 times 3 and 5 times 1 in the bottom. So now 24 threes are 3 fours are 12, 1 is the carry, 2 threes are 6, 7. 72 by 5. This is what I mentioned as fractional answer. Now you can write this as a mixed number very well. Don't leave it as improper fraction. 14 sevens are, 14 fives are 72 is the remainder. So this could be the answer, or if you want to write it as a decimal answer, it is 14.4. So this is how you will give the final answer in improper fraction, mixed number fractional form or decimal form. So in the previous example, we got the whole number answer and decimal also possible. I hope you understand the method, how to convert or how to find the fraction of some whole number. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you find it useful, kindly share it with your friends and family members. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.